Alright, today we're going to look at simplifying fractions, and the worksheet that we are looking at is linked in the description. So if you want to work these out on your own before you watch the video, that might be of benefit to you. But we'll look at these. Alright, number one is finding or simplifying 5/15ths. And to simplify fractions, you need to find the largest number that will go into both the numerator and the denominator. So the greatest common multiple. So the way we do that, or the way I do it, is I just list out the multiples. So 5 is actually a prime number, so we have 1 and 5. 15 is not a prime number, it's a composite number, and the numbers that will go into 15, 1 and 15, it is odd, so we know 2 won't go in there. 3 will, and 3 will go in there 5 times. So we can see both the numerator and denominator share the number 5. So we divide the top, the numerator, by 5. So 5 divided by 5, we get 1. And then 15 divided by 5, we get 3. So this fraction simplified is 1/3. So on to number 2. We're looking at 6/12. So we need to write out our factors, 1 and 6. 6 is a composite number. 2 will go in there 3 times. And for number 12, we have 1 and 12. 2 will go into 12 6 times. And we have 3. 3 will go into 12 4 times. So our greatest common multiple is 6. So divide the top by 6 and the bottom by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. And 12 divided by 6 is 2. Looking at number 3, so we have 2 and 8. We have 1 and 2. And we have, for 8, we have 1 and 8, and 2 and 4. Two is our largest number that will go into both top and the bottom. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 2/8 simplified is 1/4. Looking at number 4, we have 3/9. 1 and 3. 3 is a prime number, so 1 in itself goes into it. 9 is not a prime number. We have 1 and 9, and then 3. 3 goes into 9 3 times. And we have 1/3. And at number 5, 9, we just did those factors. And then 12. 1 and 12. 2 and 6. And 3 and 4. 3 goes into 9 3 times, and then 3 goes into 12 4 times. So 2 we said was a prime number. We have 1 and 2. 10 we have 1 and 10, and 2 and 5. So we can see 2 is the largest number that they both share. And 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Is not a prime number. 12 is also not a prime number. Let's see, they both share the number 4. So they both share two numbers here. They share 2 and 4. If you simplify by 2, you'll just have to simplify again. So we could simplify this by 2. And 2 goes into 4 twice, and then it goes into 12 6 times. And then you would list out factors again, or just realize that you can simplify it by 2 again. And you get 1/3. If we divided it by 4, you would get 1 when you divided there, and 3 when you divided there. You'd get 1/3. So you can simplify it by the smaller number. It just makes more work for you in the long run. Alright, looking at number 8. So we have 8/12. We have 1 and 8, and 2 and 4. Here we have 12, 1 and 12, 2 and 6. Let's see, they both share 4. We get 2/3. Alright, looking at number 9. They both share the number 2. So 6 divided by 2, you get 3. And then 8 divided by 2, you get 4. Okay, and the last one, 9/3. So we'll list out the factors of 9. You get 1. Scoot this over a little bit. 1 and 9, and 3. 3 is a prime number, you get 1 and 3. So they both share 3. Alright, so we divide 9 by 3, and we get 3. And we divide 3 by 3, and we get 1. Now there's another step here. If our numerator, our top number, is larger than our bottom number, which it is here, we need to simplify it again. So this one's pretty easy. All we do is we divide the numerator by the denominator. So our equation will look like this. Or write it out. It is 3 divided by 1 equals 3. Our answer here is 3. Thanks for watching. If you wouldn't mind, like and subscribe to the channel. That would help me out tremendously. Thanks.